So the first thing you do, you just go to your web browser and type https like so. Gospelmusicians.com. I'll leave the description in the sorry, I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you are in like this, obviously you don't have an account. For you to be able to download it, you need to have an account. So this is it right here from this navigation bar, Midiculous. Once you click on it, you see drop down free play and expansions. So you go ahead and click on free player, then scroll down. You can see if you're a Windows user, you can download for Windows. If you're a Mac user, but I have Windows here, and I'm actually teaching on how to download for Windows users. If you have a Mac, feel free to go ahead and click on the Mac option. I'll click on Windows here. So sorry, let's go back to the top. Okay, so this is what we want to download. You can see this is the free version. The other versions, like you can see, this is a paid version. That's quite expensive, almost 80 something plus. But well, this is my personal preference. It's the free version, you are still good to go. The goal here is just to display your MIDI keys on the screen, right? So we'll go ahead and click on the free Midiculous, which is going to bring us to this page. So if you look at this closely, you see that you must be logged in. So you need to be logged in before you can download it. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on that login button. So once you're there, for you don't have an account, so you have to click on create an account, right? Then you have to put in your details like your first name, your last name, your email, and password. The password does not necessarily mean your Gmail password. You can create a new password specifically for this purpose, but I already have an account, so I'll just log in with my credentials and just sign in. Yeah, so that will take a little moment. Okay, so I'm in. You can see I already downloaded it. I thought I haven't used this email to do that. But all the same, once you're logged in, oh my god. Okay, that's fine. Let me use a new email for the purpose of this stuff. So let's just go ahead and log out. I will use a new email to just sign in, just to walk you through it. So same step, you can just click on account. If you don't have an account, to bring it to the login. So I'll click on create new account. Which email am I going to use now? Let me just say Joe UK, right? Joseph. I'm not sure if I've used this email before. Let's just see how it goes. I hope that password is correct. Okay, let's go ahead and create it and see. Okay, so something is wrong. Let's do that again. Okay, the email is already assigned. I saved it. I've already used this account. Oh my god. What are we going to do now? Which email have I not used? Okay, I think I have another email. Create account. Let's see. UK Academy, right? UK Code Academy. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, I think it works. That's perfect. So let's say that. So okay, now let's say you are now logged in. The next thing you're going to do is to click on this Midiculous button again. Then come to the free player. Then you just scroll down. You can now see we have free download because you are logged in. So go ahead and click on the free logged in. I'm taking my time to explain this because I know it can be really downloading this stuff is actually a bit complicated. Their site is complicated itself. So once you are here, They are just trying to advertise their product. 164, I mean that's a lot. So you just go ahead and if you look at the top here, you see this is their cart. Just click on that cart icon. Then you see this is the free stuff we want to download. You can see they are not charging you a dime, like it's free. So just go ahead and click on checkout. Forget about what you are seeing here. Click on continue to checkout. We're not paying for anything, so don't be alarmed. Here what you just need to do is to just add you can see some of these fields are actually optional, but for this it is necessary, so you can just put something there. For me, I'll just say Lagos, Nigeria. Then city, I'll just say Lagos. I don't know, whichever city you are from, you can just go ahead and do that. So I think with this we are good to go. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and click on complete order. Okay, so order is being processed. Thank you, UK, which means it is successful. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on view account. Once you click on it, to bring you here, which is the same page we had from earlier. So now the next thing is to click on this my downloads. If I click on my downloads, it will take me to this page where I'm going to see it now. You can now see the download option. I already have it here. The essence of this video is to just walk you through on how to download it. So you can go ahead and click on the download button like that. So once you click on the download button, you can see there are various versions of it. There's the beta version. I don't like downloading the beta version, which because simply means they are still improving upon it, which simply means there might be bug. It might have problem in the long run. So just go ahead and download the first one, which is version 4.2.8. Once you click on the download button, I don't know if you are seeing that pop up. It's already downloading here on my PC, but I'll just go ahead and pause it. I have Midiculous like 2 or 3, so I don't have to download that. So this is now very important. After you have done that, I still need you to go back to your account. Yes, then click on my downloads again, then come here. You can now see that you have this serial key. Without this serial key, you cannot activate it, because the way the app is protected. If you don't have this activation key, it won't work, and this activation key can only work for you. So you cannot just transfer the software to your friend and give your friend the same serial key. No, your friend has to actually create an account with his own Gmail account and use his own serial key. I don't know if you get that. So you can just copy it and keep it safe. Once the software has downloaded successfully, you need to use this serial key to activate it. I guess I'll record another video to walk you through on how to do the installation, but it's a very simple process. You can actually try it on your own. I'm sure you get it. So that's all for this video.